the where and when of debt collection cases. Hi, this is Consumer Protection Attorney Bill Clanton, and I've helped hundreds of consumers, that's regular folks like me and you, deal with debt collection harassment, inaccurate credit reporting, and other consumer-related matters. In this video, I'll be talking about the when and the where of debt collection lawsuits. So if you've been sued by a debt collector, it's important that they sue you in time and in the right place. This is the when and where of debt collection lawsuits. Let's talk about when. There's a lot of misconceptions about how soon or how long a debt collector has to file a lawsuit against you. Under Texas law, almost every debt is a 4-year statute of limitations. That's 4 years from the date of first delinquency that they have to file a lawsuit against you. After those 4 years, their claim is no longer legally enforceable. So, the date of first delinquency is the date that your last payment is due on that card or on that debt. For credit cards, let's say you get a statement on January 1. Well, your payment is due February 15th. So from that February 15th forward is when that statute of limitations starts. So 4 years from then is a time in which you can be sued on that debt. The where of debt collection lawsuits. This is one of the first things that I look at when someone comes to me with a debt collection lawsuit, especially if it's in a small claims or JP court. Texas is different than a lot of other states, and there are some courts that have said that Texas has one of the more complicated judicial structures or court structures in the United States. And that structure is this basically. There are city level courts and municipal courts, there are county level courts. In the county level courts, there are JP courts or small claims courts or precinct courts. Those are all the same type of court. They go by different names. And there are county courts, and then there are district courts. So typically, a county court covers the entire county, and a district court covers the entire county. There may be more than one district court in a particular county, and some counties there are quite a few district courts, but they cover the entire county. JP courts are covered by precincts, and some counties have 2 or 3 precincts. Some counties have even more, up to 8 precincts. And that just depends on how the county divides it up. Now, under the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act and under the Texas Civil Practice and Remedies Code and under the Texas Debt Collection Act, a debt collector has to sue you in the correct precinct if they choose to sue you in small claims or in precinct court. They don't always get this right. And so one of the first things that I look at when somebody asks me to represent them in a debt collection lawsuit is this case filed in the right precinct? Your county has a map, at least, and may actually have a finder to locate which county you were in. Take a look at these and see if you were sued in the right place. If you weren't, then that debt collector has broken the law, and you may have a claim against that debt collector. So that's the when and where of debt collection lawsuits. If you're dealing with a debt collection lawsuit or debt collection harassment, inaccurate credit reporting, and any of these other consumer-related matters, give me a call. I'm happy to help you out and see what I can do to help you out. If you got something in this video, please subscribe. I appreciate you watching this video. Thanks. Bye-bye.